if for some reason you were crazy enough to want to make Bulgarian split squats even harder, this is what we would do. So you want to look for a step, something that you could put your front leg on that's going to allow us to go into a deficit. Now what we're going to do is pretty much set up exactly like how you would with the regular split squat. You're going to get your back foot elevated, but now when we get our front foot forward, you're going to want to get it into or on top of something that's going to elevate you. So again, you want to make sure you have it pretty much in the same spot, but you'll feel it out. If you've been doing Bulgarian split squats long enough, you're going to know exactly where you should be feeling this. And already from down here, you should be feeling that extra stretch. So you don't want to start with something too high. Something lower on the lower side, this is about 6 inches, will be helping you feel it. You want to start with 2, 4, something smaller just to get the feel of it. You can, but from here, you're going to really push and come up as high as you can, maintain that tension in that lead leg. And then again, we're going to repeat getting as low as you can, keeping that stretch back here. We're going to get that hip hinge in your front lead leg. And then as soon as we get that stretch at the very bottom, we're going to push, staying strong, and repeat. The goal with this is to do exactly what you would do with a regular split squat, but keep that tension in this front leg and stay strong as possible. The biggest difference is going to be that this back knee, now you have so much more space to travel, so you can keep that tension here, get more of a stretch, and now this knee is going lower than where the floor would have been if you were just doing this normally on the ground. So of course, if we do it on one leg, we're gonna have to do it on the opposite side. We're gonna set ourselves up for success. We're gonna put that back leg up first. Then we're gonna put your front foot up on here. We're gonna get that hinge. And from here again, we're gonna make sure that we can really press strong with that lead leg. And we're gonna get as low as you can, pushing those hips back and going all the way back up. You can see this front leg, I don't have a locked knee. You can. I'm resting at the top once I feel like I'm doing this. So what I would have to do is 1, keep your balance, and 2, keep that tension in this leg. That way we can maximize. And if you really want to grow your legs, you really want to grow your glutes, you have to make sure that you're doing this with control so you can get that proper mind and muscle connection. The main difference between doing this exercise with a hip hinge and being more vertical is from this position, now we're able to let that knee travel a little bit more forward. And in doing so, we get more of a knee bend. That extra knee bend that we get here is gonna shift that tension into your quads. So if you're doing this exercise, you're gonna be getting way more of a quad burn than if we were to be doing this exercise, which now is gonna load that glute on the working leg that much more. So definitely a tough one, but again, if for whatever reason you wanted to make the Bulgarian split squat that much more difficult, this is exactly how you would do it.